Now we're working with the danger level spreadsheets. We need to activate macros or enable them. Now, the idea here is we have at different locations, we have different concentrations of these pollutants, and in order to concentrate efforts on where needs to be cleaned up most, we want to concentrate on the worst 5%. So you want to set a danger level so that 95% of the locations have less concentration than that, so we know where to concentrate. And this at the moment is telling us if we set the danger level at 3,474.2, then out of the 10,000 values, 4,976, or this proportion, 0.49, about 50%. So that's about the halfway point. Not surprisingly, because that's the mean of the population. So it's half below the mean. Now what I'd like to know is what's this value got to be to make 95% less than it. Now you can do it by changing this by trial and error, or we can do it by a direct method of sorting all these numbers into order and then just going down and looking. So if we select all the numbers like that, and then sort them from the smallest to the biggest, here you must say don't expand the selection. It's very important. Otherwise that'll organise all these numbers. I'll rearrange those. We want them to stay as they are. So sort them out. And now I want to go down and find a number so that 95% of these numbers are smaller. So there's 10,000 numbers, so I want 9,500 to be smaller. So I'm looking for 9,500. Yeah. So if I make that my number, 3895, then 9,500 numbers are smaller and 2,500 numbers are bigger. So it's 3895. 3895. And then we can... Nothing happens on these worksheets until you press this, because I've disabled it. But there you can see that it is nearly 95%. Now we can just play with it a bit and increase it. I think... Oops. Increase it to 98.5. Oh, that's it. Okay, 3895.5. That's the exact danger level for this one. So in 95% of the locations, the danger level is less than that. Is less than 3895. Now if we go to population 2, which has got a similar thing, except the numbers are smaller. At the moment it's set for the mean, so half is less than that. Now, just by trial and error, I'm going to try and see. I can sort of remember from the workshops. It's around about 100 somewhere, I think. I'm not going to bother counting like this. I'm going to do it just by changing this, using trial and error. Oh, that's much too much. Perhaps it's more than that. It's not bad. Slightly too much. Not sure how many different places. 94.6. Bad. 0.7. 4.8. 7's better. That's pretty good. 94.73. It's the danger level population 2. And then for population 3, we'll try and error. So I can sort of remember it's 200 and something. This one. Yeah. I think it's about 206. Yeah. 206 is pretty close. So these are the danger levels for the three populations. 3895, 94.73 and 206. So completely different danger levels because the levels of these pollutants are all different. But we'll see how we can get some sort of pattern aspect on the next video.